It's not about what you have or how much money you have. I made $1 million. I made over $1 million in online sales and I'm 20 years old, right? That's cool, but it's more about who I became to me. Entrepreneurship is not about what you have. It's more about who you become, and what you have is going to come and go in entrepreneurship, right? The best entrepreneurs are making and spending a ton of money all the time, literally to keep their operations just running smoothly, right? So in entrepreneurship, money is never really an object or the goal for the successful entrepreneur or something you even have. It's something that you continue to make and that you continue to use more of to grow your business. You invest into people, you invest into coaches, you invest into teams, right? It's not about what you have or how much money you have. I made $1 million. I made over $1 million in online sales and I'm 20 years old, right? That's cool, but it's more about who I became to me, at least. Having the million, man, who cares? That's the first of many. The best part to me is that I invested in what I knew and who I knew first. So just like I got that first million, man, I could turn around and I could go get another million too. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do because I have the skills and I went all in on me. Now I can do that again and again and again and again, right? It's the people who only focus on what they currently have, right? Who need to keep getting lucky or who need to make that good investment to get more. The entrepreneur, right? He's just not worried about that. He is all he needs, right? As an entrepreneur, you could make $1 million, spend $1 million, and make 2 back, right? You could make $1 million, you could lose $1 million, and you wouldn't really have to fret because you got the skills and you got the business. You could just go do that again, but twice as fast because this time you know how, right? Entrepreneurship, and when you join us at Williams Wealth Creation to scale your business to 6 figures and beyond for the first time ever, entrepreneurship and Williams Wealth Creation, what we're doing here, it's a lot more about who you become rather than what you have on the way out. Yes, you're gonna have a lot. Yes, you're gonna make more money than you ever have before in your life. Yes, you're gonna have a business for the first time ever, but all of that is going to be because of who you become when you work with us before you actually get those things, right? You'll make more money as a symptom of what your business becomes and who you become and of the skills that you gain, not because of what you have right now, right? You guys need to let go of the pennies so you can start making room for the loonies. And once you get the loonies, it's going to be even harder because it'll be more money than you've ever had before. But once you get the loonies, you'll have to let go of those too to make room for those $5 bills, right? And you got to spend a couple loonies to get a $5 bill. And trust me, that's just going to keep going, right? And if you can't even do it now with the pennies, good luck doing it with the loony. My name's Spencer Williams. I'm with Williams Wealth Creation. And remember, focus on taking the actions you need to become the person you need to be. Because when you become the person you need to be, you're going to be able to do the things that can actually get you everything you ever wanted. I'll talk to you guys soon.